What's up, everyone? My name is Nayib Cabrera, straight from the 305, Miami, Florida. Listen, if you're watching this video, believe me, you're meant to watch this video. If you're watching this, it's because you've taken some interest in Forex. You want to become a wizard like the Wizard Phil. And believe me, when you look at his sessions, when you become enrolled in his training, there is nothing like it. Me, personally, I've never really learned Forex. I just started learning about a month and a half ago, and this is a new language to me. And like you know, once you learn a new language, it will take time. You will need to practice it. But with the trainings that Phil is hosting, it makes everything like 100% easier. Ever since enrolling in his session 1, how to get into the market, in and out of the market, and session 2 on the cloud, man, I can look at charts like if I'm a pro. And again, I just started learning about Forex, but he really breaks it down on what you need to know. And Philip, again, thank you so much. I feel like I'm going to be a master trader because of this and everything that you're going to teach. I'm ready for session 3 and 4. So if you're watching this, enroll, start learning, grab your pen and paper, and get ready to become a confident trader just like me. Thank you, Phil.